What is insurance? क्या है ये चीज़? We've heard this term since a long time, but this is a very critical item or very critical piece of the puzzle called personal finance. Unfortunately, this has been not given that much importance, and that is actually very sad. Insurance is very critical and every adult should have insurance. The two major insurance items that every adult should have will be covered in today's video. Hello and welcome to our channel Fernway Runway. I'm Rahul and today we'll be talking about insurance. Now before we begin with the topic of insurance, let me explain broadly what insurance is, with an example of course. So when we go to buy a laptop from a showroom, we are given an option to pay a little extra and get a warranty for 3 years. Now what this warranty does for the laptop is what an insurance is supposed to do for you. So now that we understood what insurance does broadly, let's take up and understand the two most important insurance products that every individual should have. The first product we'll cover is health insurance. Now during COVID, the importance of health insurance has increased many times. Health insurance is not supposed to take care of the health of the person, but what it is supposed to do in reality is when a person is unable to function normally or needs admission to the hospital, a health insurance comes into the picture. It takes up the responsibility or the risk of paying for the health treatment of that person. Now you may remember before this we had discussed emergency fund. Emergency fund is again a very critical item that we've discussed in our previous video. If you've not watched it already, please do. So I'll tell you how an emergency fund ties up to your health insurance. Now in health insurance, there are two options that you have, a cashless or a reimbursement facility. A cashless, as the name suggests, ensures your hospital bills are taken care of directly by the insurance provider and the hospital. Whereas in the reimbursement option, you have to pay upfront and then it is reimbursed by the insurance provider. Now when you have to pay upfront, this is where an emergency fund can be of much use. So while buying a health insurance, you need to keep a few things in mind. One of the most important things you need to check is whether it is cashless or if it is a reimbursement based insurance. The other thing you need to check is the hospital that is closest to your area of stay should be covered under this health insurance policy. You should also check the claim settlement ratio of the health insurance provider. Now, a claim settlement ratio gives you an idea of how many claims were raised to the insurance provider and how many of those got settled. The other thing that needs to be covered under your health insurance policy is your existing illness as well as major common diseases around. I hope with these tips, now you have some clarity on what a health insurance policy is and why is it required in your case. With that, let's move to the second insurance product for the day. Now, before I explain what the second insurance product is, I want to share a hypothetical situation. Suppose you buy a car, your dream car. You buy it at a price that is almost twice your annual income and you love it. You decide not to buy auto insurance because you will take that much care about your car. It's been 3 years since you bought it now and you love your car, your family loves it, it satisfies all your needs and it is going wonderful. Now one fine day when it is parked in the garage under the cool shade of the parapet wall, suddenly it so happens that the parapet wall collapses right on top of your car. Your car is absolutely destroyed. There is no going back, there is no repair that can save it. Imagine in place of this car had it been your life, and that is what most people fail to do. People cannot relate death with their life, but to be honest, death is as common as life. So you need to think of life as a very important element that is in your hands currently, and you need to get insurance for it so that your family does not suffer when you're not around. Your life is much more important than twice your annual income. So that is where an adequate life insurance policy is the need of the hour. Life insurance policy is like a bouquet and there are many types of life insurance policies. You may get confused which one is suitable for you. For all individuals, the only life insurance policy that is suitable or required is a term life insurance policy, and that too, you need to buy it online. A term life insurance policy is plain vanilla simple. Now, in case of car insurance, let me give you two questions. Your answer to that will help you evaluate life insurance in a new light. So, when you buy car insurance, do you pay an additional amount to ensure that some of your amount is invested in stock market or some other savings? The second question is, if your car does not get damaged in an accident, do you get any money back? The answer to both the questions are no. And that is exactly how a car insurance policy works. You only get the benefit of the car insurance policy when there is an accident or when there is a damage. And this is exactly how a life insurance policy should also work. Term insurance is exactly that. Your nominee gets the benefit payout when you are no more there to support your family and your nominee. Like in the case of health insurance policies, there are a few tips that you need to keep in mind while buying a life insurance policy. Let's quickly cover a few important tips and topics that you need to keep in mind while buying a life insurance policy. A life insurance policy should ideally cover around 10 to 20 times your annual income. And my advice is to go for it as early as possible. In fact, you should actually get a life insurance policy as soon as you start earning. And you should try for the maximum amount that you can get at that point of time, which would be roughly around 20 times your annual income. Now, what this does for you is it ensures that your premium is the lowest, because the premium keeps on increasing with age since your life risk increases with age. Try and get a coverage up to 60 to 70 years of age till your dependents are now capable of taking care of themselves as well as the family. Like in the case of health insurance, make sure that the life insurance provider has a good claim settlement ratio. As I said before, it is the ratio of the claims that were raised to the claims that were honored by the life insurance provider. This is very important while selecting a life insurance policy. Make sure you buy your term life insurance policy online. Now, this ensures there is no additional charges which are supposed to go to an agent as commission. This will help bring down the total insurance premium amount. Do select annualized premium. That is, you pay the premium every year. And without fail, do not forget to pay your insurance premium. If you forget to do that, your policy gets lapsed. But do not worry, you do have an option to actually work with the insurance provider and get it reinstated. You would love to see your family have a good life even when you're not there with them anymore. And that is the dream of every person, be it a man or a woman. Life insurance policy is exactly for that purpose. Irrespective of your gender or your role, you should have a life insurance policy. And make sure your family gets the best out of life for years to come. So with that, we cover the most important insurance products that an individual should have. I hope this has been very useful to you. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to let us know in the section below. And I will be eager to see you in the next video. And till then, goodbye and see you soon.